What if I told you that how much money you make has almost nothing to do with whether you'll ever be wealthy? Think about that for a second. There are people in this country earning $50,000 a year who are quietly building real wealth. And there are people pulling in $200,000 a year who are one missed paycheck away from a crisis. Same country, same economy, completely different results. So what's the difference? That's exactly what we're going to break down today. And by the end of this video, you're going to see money in a way nobody ever taught you in school. Let's talk about real life for a second. Most Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, not because they're lazy, not because they don't work hard, but because nobody ever showed them how money actually works. You wake up, you go to work, you pay rent, you pay your car note, you swipe the credit card for groceries, you cover the minimum payment on last month's credit card bill, and somewhere in there student loans are taking a cut too, and at the end of the month, there's nothing left. Sound familiar? This isn't a personal failure, this is a system that was never designed to make you wealthy. It was designed to keep you spending. But here's the part nobody talks about. The real trap isn't the debt. The real trap is not knowing why you're in it. So let's get into the 3 biggest reasons most people never build wealth. Reason number 1 is lifestyle inflation. Here's how it works. You get a raise, you feel great, and then almost automatically your spending goes up to match it. Take John. John gets a $500 raise every month. He deserves it. He worked hard for it, but instead of doing anything different with that money, he upgrades his car, gets a nicer apartment, starts eating out more. 5 years later, John is making more money than ever. And he still has nothing saved. That's lifestyle inflation. Every time your income grows, your expenses grow right alongside it. And the gap between what you earn and what you keep stays exactly the same. Wealth isn't built by earning more, it's built by keeping more. Reason number 2 is not investing. A lot of people think saving money is enough. Put it in the bank. Let it sit. You're safe, right? Not exactly. Here's something called inflation. Inflation just means that over time, prices go up. $1 today buys less than $1 did 10 years ago. Right now, inflation runs around 3% per year on average. That means if you have $10,000 sitting in a regular savings account earning almost nothing, that money is actually shrinking in value every single year. Money sitting still is money going backwards. Investing means putting your money to work so it grows faster than inflation can eat it. Things like index funds, retirement accounts, simple investment tools that don't require you to be a financial expert. And this is where things get really interesting. Reason number 3 is short-term thinking. We want results now. We want to feel it now. We live in a world of instant everything. But wealth doesn't work that way. Wealth is built slowly, quietly, over years. It rewards patience more than it rewards hustle. The people who win financially aren't always the smartest people in the room. They're the most consistent. Now let me show you a simple calculation that changes everything. Meet Person A. Person A starts investing $200 a month at age 25. That's less than most people spend on food delivery and subscriptions. They invested consistently for 30 years into an account averaging about 10% annual growth, which is close to the stock market's long-term historical average. By age 55, Person A has over $450,000. Now meet Person B. Person B waits. They keep saying they'll start when they make more money. When things settle down, when the time is right, they finally start investing at 35. Same $200 a month, same 10% growth, but they only have 20 years instead of 30. Person B ends up with around $150,000. Same monthly investment, a $300,000 difference. That difference isn't talent, it isn't luck, it's time. Time is the most powerful financial tool you have. And every month you wait, you're giving some of it away. Now most people completely miss this next part, and it's where everything starts to actually change. Here is your simple wealth blueprint. 5 steps. No fluff. Step 1. Track every dollar. For the next 30 days, write down everything you spent. Not to punish yourself, to see clearly. You cannot fix what you cannot see. Step 2. Build a small emergency fund. Start with $1,000. Park it somewhere you won't touch it. This one cushion keeps you from going further into debt every time life surprises you. Step 3. Attack high-interest debt. Credit cards charging you 20% or more are wealth killers. Pay the minimums on everything else and throw every extra dollar at your highest interest debt first. Step 4. Invest automatically every month. Set up an automatic transfer to an investment account the day you get paid. Even $50 a month. Even $100. Make it automatic so it happens before you have a chance to spend it. Step 5. Grow your income through skills. As for the raise, learn a skill the market pays well for. Start the side project. Your income is not fixed. It's a number you can influence. Now I want you to do something for me. Close your eyes for just a moment and picture 2 versions of your life 10 years from now. In the first version, nothing changes. Same habits, same paycheck to paycheck stress, more debt, more anxiety, looking at your bank account and feeling that familiar knot in your stomach. In the second version, you started. You were consistent, not perfect, not rich overnight, but you started investing something every month. You learned the rules of the game, and 10 years later, you have a cushion. You have options. You have freedom. Same amount of time passes either way. The only difference is what you did with it. Here's what I want you to take away from this video. Wealth is not about luck. It's not about your family. It's not even about how much you make. Wealth is about behavior. It's about the small choices you make consistently over time when nobody's watching. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today. If this video helped you see money differently, subscribe for more practical lessons that can actually change your financial future, because the information is out there. And now, so are you.